Hello, I'm Storm Tracker 18 Weather Chief Meteorologist Matt Schaefer. We had that string of high temperatures above 90, and it was more than the minimum for the heat wave. That's 3 consecutive days at a minimum with a high of a minimum of 90. Well, we started on Friday with 95, got up to 97 on Saturday, last week Saturday. Those were both record highs. Little cooler, I guess you could call it cooler, with a high of just 91 and 92 going beyond that. But then we're back in the mid-90s for 3 straight days. 2 records there, broken Wednesday and Thursday. Friday's high was 90 exactly, so that was the last day of the heat wave, with the high Saturday at 85 degrees. So let's go back to the winter when we had a wind chill of negative 36 at the coldest point. Now in this last week, we had a highest heat index value of 98. So between the two, 134 degrees, and that's quite the spread, but for our area, that's actually not as high as we can see. A few years ago when we got those extremes, we were closer to 160 in the spread between the wind chill, which was down in the negative 40s and 50s, and the heat index above 100. So we do see quite the range of temperatures of the year, and that's just 4 months apart. Good news is we get a little bit more mild, only tracking a few clouds through your Sunday afternoon into the Sunday evening. Some storms move off to our north, but should miss western Wisconsin, and we're back to the sunshine for Monday. And that's how we're going to stay for most of the week. 92 for your high on your Sunday. Sunshine and mild, and it will not be humid. West winds of 5 to 10. That provides a little bit of a relief. It's still going to be a hot day, just not as miserably hot with the humidity like what we saw for much of last week. 59 overnight, mostly clear, comfortable, north winds of 5 to 10. And on your Monday, 85. So a pretty decent day, and still no humidity with winds out of the north at 5 to 10, keeping the dry air moving our way instead of the humid air that comes up from the Gulf of Mexico. Tuesday and Wednesday stay mostly sunny, highs in the low to mid 80s, still comfortable low temperatures overnight in the upper 50s. And then we follow with a brief warm-up Wednesday night into Thursday ahead of a cold front. Brings us just a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms right now on Thursday, and that's the only chance of rain I have in my entire forecast, and we certainly could use some, so hopefully we get a good amount there. But right now, we are going to continue to trend dry, unfortunately.